Guten Tag, ich heiße Michael.
Und ich heiße Maximillian.
Und das ist Kuchen.
Ich liebe Kuchen.
Ach ja.
Heute, wir wollen Kartoffelpuffer machen.
Ach ja.
Erst musst du 2 Ei, Backpulver, Mehl, Salz, Pfeffer und Kartoffeln, Zwiebel und Flansol kaufen.
Mischung deiner Ei. Mehl. Backpulver, Salz und Pfeffer.
Das ist wunderbar.
Whisk! Whisk! Whisk!
Whisk! So you're going to have to peel your potatoes mit dem Orange off.
Ja.
Okay.
Now you're going to have to shred your potatoes. It's a long process. Now, addieren deine Kartoffeln und Zwiebeln. This is too many potatoes.
He fingered spoon.
Good. So when you're cooking with potatoes, what you want to remember is that there is starch and trivia, insert trivia here about potatoes and starch.
Insert trivia here.
Also, remember to wash your hands, because if you don't, that could be a nasty surprise for somebody. I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing right now. Here on Kuke, we like to remember that we are expert chefs.
Oh yeah. Heat oil in a big pan on medium heat.
That looks like medium to me. So fertig, das ist heiß.
We're waiting for it to get heiß.
As we wait for it to heat up, you can do all sorts of recreational activities like
Recreational.
like learning to play the flute or
Recorder.
the recorder. No, I hate my voice on camera.
Did I play the guitar?
Go ahead, we have time. Take this precious moment in life to ponder the hard questions and think about life. Reevaluate yourself. How are you today? I'm good, thanks for asking. This is not the highest quality. I've never been all alone on set before, and I don't know what to do. So how about that airline food, huh?
What?
Beautiful weather we've been having. Michael likes to play guitar on set. Eyebrow. Sorry, this is turning out a lot worse. The quality's a little bit worse than I originally intended. People trying to text me during film shoot.
Angie.
Alright, let's see if this is hot the professional way. Because we only do things professionally here on Kuke with Michael and Maximillian. That's hot. There is a button that says it's hot. I should have checked that first. Professional.
Wait, it's recording, right? Yeah.
If you left it recording. Double checking because high quality.
In groups, place heaping tablespoons. Heaping.
Heaping, not
Of
normal.
the potato mixture in the big pan, right? Press to flatten. Cook about 3 minutes on both sides until browned and crisp. Drain on paper towels.
Yeah. Spoons going. Spoonfuls.
Tablespoonfuls.
Heaping.
Okay.
Oh boy, I got it all over our
Press to
spread.
flatten.
Press to
to flatten. You're dripping it everywhere. Here,
I'm
I'll
sorry, it's
flatten.
messy.
I will flatten. Give me the flatten. It smells
So,
good. It smells very good.
Pro tip.
Das
make
ist
them-
lecker. Sorry.
Pro tip. Don't make them too big where you can't fit many on your pan. You learn best from experience.
We are perfect bad examples.
Remember, take this recipe home. Don't do what we did. You can't have a pancake, Michael. That's like having half a squirrel. So most of this footage won't be used, I assume.
Don't assume.
Unless I'm just like, oh, you know what? Let's use it. Remember, if you have a grease fire, pour lots of water on top. Pro tip.
Another pro tip
Pro tip number 2.
from the people in honors chemistry.
So you're going to check periodically to see if it's brown enough. The final judgment's up to you,
Obviously not.
depending on how cooked you want it. They're much larger than they're supposed to be. Pro tip, use the correct spoon size. That's pro tip number 3 here on Kuke.
This was doctor.
I am a doctor. Oh, that's not ready. That's not ready. Put it back.
This is on fire.
Alright, again, you're waiting. There's many things you can do while you wait. Sometimes when I wait, I like to text my friends. Hey friends, how are you? I don't have friends.
Angie, quit bothering Parker.
Pro tip number 5, don't eat your raw food ingredients.
Yeah, that was kind of gross.
I might have done that. Michael's going to assess their brownness and see if they're brown enough for our liking. By the looks of it, we didn't use enough oil.
Well,
Chances are
back to square.
Chances are we're going to remove these, place 2 new ones, and pretend none of this ever happened. I think we used enough oil.
I think we did either.
Pro tip number, use the right amount of oil.
Yeah, it's right there, Parker. We never put that on.
Revised pro tip, use the oil. Remember to use oil on